Let's start with the first exercise, is a reverse crunch variation. Lying on your back, lift hips into a reverse crunch, then extend both legs straight as you lower. Second exercise is a 3-lever criss-cross. With leg raises, cross them 3 times, keeping your back flat. Third exercise is downward dog knee tuck. From downward dog, draw each knee toward its possible elbow, engaging your lower abs. Exercise 4 is frog press. Lie back, pull knees into chest with legs in a diamond shape, focusing on lower ab contraction.
Who you think you waiting on? I take you to the early morning. Just when you're waking up, you feel like you're
The fifth exercise is V up. Keep arms and legs straight as you lift into a V shape or bend knees if needed.
every single time I call you. You know I got something for you. How could I ever ignore you? I WhatsApp like it's on you. And you know I'ma get there soon. You know I'ma get there soon. Baby, what's your mood? Tell me what's your mood. It's tonight, it's moonlight. It'll be shining through, yeah. It's tonight, when the moon's right. It makes you wonder what you're under. Cause you're drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. You make it so we can't walk. You make it so we can't talk. Cause you're drunk on me, yeah.
Exercise 6 is cross body climber. In plank, drive each knee toward the opposite elbow rapidly.
Just to get a piece of pie. I wanna bump and grind and move with baseline. And if you say it's fine, it's tonight, it's moonlight. It'll be shining through, yeah. It's tonight, when the moon's right. It makes you wonder what you're under. Cause you're drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. You make it so we can't walk. You make it so we can't.
Exercise 7 is elbow cycle. Sit on your mat and lean back onto your forearms. Pedal your legs in a cycling motion while keeping your torso stable and core fully engaged. Exercise 8 is plank to squat. From plank, jump feet forward into a low squat, then return to plank. For low impact, please move one foot and then the other. Exercise 9 is jackknife. Lie flat and pulse by touching hands to feet without bending elbows or knees. Exercise 10 is U-boat. Sit back, lean slightly, bend knees and trace a semicircle with your legs for an intense burn. Last exercise is leg raise. Lie flat and lift legs straight up, lowering only as far as you can without arching your back.
I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you doing good, I'm doing great. Hours of practice, they don't feel like working. Overthinking, I don't mean to let the pain and hurting. I was main stage with Tiny at a festival. Realities of just less than 24 hours pass and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth is more, you make your own curriculum. Study in the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian, walk amongst the greats that you ignore, the ones relentlessly.
I want to say thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you to the next video. Take care and keep in touch.